The Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is rapidly becoming one of the most anticipated APS-C mirrorless cameras in recent memory, generating considerable excitement across the photography and videography communities. Early leaks and insider information suggest this model may not only succeed the Canon EOS R7 but could also redefine what photographers expect from an APS-C system. One of the most talked about potential features is its ability to record 4K video at 120 frames per second without any crop, which would make the Canon EOS R9 a serious contender in the hybrid camera market. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are now closely following every rumor, trying to piece together how Canon might push the APS-C format to a new level of performance and versatility. Design-wise, the Canon EOS R9 appears to be a significant evolution over the R7. Leaked schematics and early reports indicate a hybrid body construction combining magnesium alloy and polycarbonate. This design would provide a robust yet lightweight chassis, ensuring durability while remaining portable for extended shoots. The grip is expected to be deeper and more ergonomically shaped, improving comfort for photographers who work for hours with heavier lenses. Weather sealing, already a staple in Canon's higher-end mirrorless cameras, is likely included in the R9, making it suitable for outdoor work in challenging conditions, from wet environments to dusty landscapes. For vloggers, content creators, and videographers, a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen is anticipated, providing flexibility to frame shots from difficult angles or record self-facing footage with ease. The Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is rumored to feature a redesigned electronic viewfinder with a resolution around 3.6 million dots or higher. This improvement would allow users to see their scenes with greater clarity, enhancing composition accuracy and focus precision. Dual memory card slots are also expected, supporting SD-UHS-2 in one slot and CF Express cards in the other. This combination would be ideal for professionals who require high-speed data transfer and reliable storage for large image files and high bitrate video. Connectivity upgrades are also in the cards, with speculation pointing to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, allowing for faster tethering, remote shooting, and file transfers, features that would streamline workflow for hybrid creators and professional teams. At the heart of the Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is a rumored new stacked APS-C sensor, likely offering between 32 and 40 megapixels. This represents a meaningful step up from the 32.5 megapixel sensor in the Canon EOS R7. The stacked architecture enables faster readout speeds, which is crucial for minimizing rolling shutter effects, reducing motion blur, and supporting high burst rates. Such improvements are particularly important for sports, wildlife, and action photography, where capturing fast-moving subjects in sharp detail is essential. Beyond speed, the sensor is expected to deliver better dynamic range and low-light performance, expanding the camera's versatility across a variety of shooting conditions. Paired with Canon's latest digic processor, the R9 would likely provide improved color reproduction, smoother tonal transitions, and greater highlight retention, an advantage for landscape, portrait, and commercial photographers who demand precise image quality. Autofocus, always a cornerstone of Canon's mirrorless systems, is set to receive significant enhancements in the R9. Rumors suggest the implementation of Canon's latest dual-pixel CMOS AF system, incorporating intelligent subject recognition, eye and face tracking, and enhanced detection for animals and vehicles. Coverage may span nearly the entire frame, giving photographers more freedom in composition without worrying about losing focus at the edges. AI-driven predictive algorithms are also expected, allowing the camera to anticipate subject movement and maintain sharp focus even in fast-paced scenarios. For photographers shooting handheld, Canon is reportedly targeting up to 8 stops of image stabilization when paired with compatible lenses, a substantial upgrade that would improve low-light performance and make action photography far more manageable. Performance in continuous shooting and high-speed capture is another area where the Canon EOS R9 could set itself apart. The combination of a stacked sensor and advanced digic processor is expected to allow burst rates of up to 30 frames per second, a major leap over the R7. Improved buffer capacity would ensure that photographers can maintain high-speed shooting for extended periods without interruption. These advancements would be particularly beneficial for sports and wildlife shooters, where capturing decisive moments with both speed and detail is critical. Handling such rapid shooting requires careful attention to workflow, but Canon's dual card slot design and high-speed storage support should make this process more efficient. Video performance in the Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is also shaping up to be impressive. Early reports suggest 4K recording at 120 frames per second, which is an extraordinary capability for an APS-C camera. This would allow filmmakers to capture smooth slow-motion footage without resorting to heavy cropping or sacrificing field of view. Improved thermal management is rumored to help prevent overheating during extended video sessions, possibly through passive heat dissipation and firmware-based controls. There are even whispers of 8K recording, although this may be limited in duration or bitrate due to heat concerns. The camera is also expected to include Canon Log3, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, and full HDMI output for external recorders, making it a compelling option for professional filmmakers who want high-quality video in a compact form factor. On the ergonomic and interface side, the Canon EOS R9 continues Canon's commitment to intuitive controls and professional usability. The body is expected to retain a magnesium alloy frame with enhanced weather sealing, while the grip and button placement may see meaningful refinements. These changes would improve handling, particularly during long shoots or when using heavier lenses. The electronic viewfinder, combined with a high refresh rate display, should provide an immersive shooting experience, and the fully articulating touchscreen allows easy adjustments for both photographers and vloggers. This focus on ergonomics ensures the Canon EOS R9 is versatile enough for still photography, video recording, and hybrid workflows. In terms of market positioning, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to debut in the second half of 2025, likely in the fourth quarter. Pricing is rumored to start around $1,799, positioning it above the R7 but below Canon's higher-end full-frame models. This price point suggests Canon aims to deliver substantial performance improvements while keeping the camera accessible to serious enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-end APS-C option. If Canon successfully combines the rumored features, the EOS R9 could be a game-changer, attracting photographers who need both exceptional image quality and advanced video capabilities without moving to a full-frame system. The Canon EOS R9's combination of features reflects a strategic push by Canon to balance professional-level performance with the convenience of the APS-C format. By offering a stacked sensor, advanced autofocus, high-speed continuous shooting, and robust video recording, the R9 could appeal to a broad range of creators, from sports and wildlife photographers to vloggers and hybrid content producers. Its improvements in ergonomics, durability, and workflow efficiency further enhance its appeal, making it a compelling upgrade over the R7 and a strong competitor against other APS-C cameras on the market. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R9 appears poised to be a groundbreaking APS-C mirrorless camera. With its stacked sensor offering higher resolution and faster readout speeds, combined with Canon's advanced digic processing and dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, the R9 could provide professionals with unprecedented speed, detail, and reliability. Enhanced video capabilities, improved ergonomics, weather sealing, and connectivity features further reinforce its potential as a hybrid powerhouse. As the rumored release approaches in late 2025, photographers and videographers alike are eagerly awaiting confirmation. If Canon delivers even a fraction of these enhancements, the EOS R9 could dominate the APS-C market and redefine what's possible in this increasingly popular segment.